Hey there YouTubers, it's Brad again, and I'm back tonight to do an unboxing of a CoolerMaster HAF XB EVO LAN box. I bought this chassis on Black Friday. I got it from Newegg via eBay, got a really good deal on it. Took about a week to ship, and I plan on doing a NAS build for my company with this, and I really need to get it built, so let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so I bought this chassis because a couple of my friends highly recommended it. I was looking for a good machine for this NAS build. This one has two hot swap bays on the front, two 3.5 inch bays inside, and two 5 1/4 inch bays, so there's a maximum of four 3.5 inch drives, and two 5 1/4. So I also ordered a hot swap backplane that converts one of the 5 1/4 inch drives to four 2.5 inch. So I plan on putting that in here. Stick this box out of the way. Alright. There she is. Gotta love the smell of fresh hardware. Here's the manual for it. Pretty sure everything's self-explanatory. Just toss that to the side. So here are the hot swap bays. Has a USB 3 on the front plane. It's a pretty nice tray. It's a plastic tray. It's not your typical aluminum server tray, but looks like it'll still hold up alright. Chassis itself seems pretty well built and thought out. Has space for a nice big 200mm fan on top, or a radiator. Take the top plate off. Pretty much every side on this thing comes off. Everything's attached by these thumb screws, so that's nice. This is supposed to be like the ultimate moddable chassis. You just run it open air, mount up liquid cooling. Here I have the 3.5 inch hard drive bays. Looks like here's a box of hardware. This front panel connector is pretty well built. Let's see what they gave us in the goodie box. Looks like we have a toolless hard drive mounts. Bag of screws and zip ties. They sent zip ties with it. It's so cool. And a laptop to desktop hard drive bay adapter. That'll come in handy because I plan on running the OS off a 64 gig solid state. Running out of room on this workbench here. It's like the power supply. Just unscrew these thumb screws here on the back. And mount your power supply to this bracket. Just put the 4 thumb screws back in there. Back side of it. There's plenty of room for a liquid radiator. Has coolant hose ports for an external radiator. Mount a couple more fans down here, cool off the hard drives directly. There's a filter for the hard drive, or for the power supply intake. That's pretty cool. Here on the back side of the hot swap plane, have 2 SATA inputs and 1 power, so you can save your SATA power ports if you have a power supply that doesn't have very many. But most people that would use this would build a gaming rig with a modular 1 kilowatt power supply and all that good stuff. I'm trying to save hard drive power points for more hard drives later on. Some of these screws come really tight in there. Use your screwdriver to take them off. All the sides just slide off. It's very nice. Looks like you can even just slide the motherboard tray out of here. A couple more screws. There's the motherboard tray. This thing is going to be a breeze to put together. Oh, that's... Okay. Well, that's about it for this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see me put this thing together. And also have something special planned for Saturday night, so if you subscribe to my channel, I'll keep you updated. Schedule that live stream pretty soon. If you like a chance to win free stuff, I suggest you stop by my live stream Saturday night. Be about 8 o'clock Central Time. It's after my kids go to bed. Anyways, till next time, I'll see you later.